So in this video I will show how to create a Discord bot with JavaScript. I will also be continuing Discord.js series, so basically this video is the startup of Discord.js version 12 season 2. Anyway, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to this link. I will put this link in the description. Now we will have to clone this repository. For that we will copy this link. I will be using rebel8 as an IDE for this video. You could use any other IDE. Just run the git clone command and you will be fine. Here I am creating a new project, and for that I will paste the link of repository that I just visited. Now what we have to do is that fill the required stuff like token, default prefix and owner ID.